In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Tinder shadow ban. If Tinder has flagged your profile, continuing to use it won't help. Simply close the app and avoid swiping or editing anything. An effective fix that you may try is by deleting your account completely. First, head over to your profile page, then click on the gear icon, then scroll to the bottom of the page till you see the delete account button. Make sure that you choose delete my account, not just pause my account or uninstall. Tinder shadow bans usually stick unless you start fresh. Now from there, wait for at least 24 to 48 hours. Give Tinder's system time to clear your old data. Most users say waiting a day or two prevents the shadow ban from carrying over. And once done, create a brand new profile. Use a new email or phone number, fresh photos, a different bio. Make sure that you avoid duplicating your old profile too closely, for that can trigger the same flag again. Now, to avoid shadow ban triggers in the future, make sure that you don't mass swipe right. Also, prevent using bots or third party apps. And of course, don't forget not to break community guidelines. Lastly, don't make multiple accounts repeatedly, for these behaviors get flagged quickly. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!